Welcome to our class. Today we are looking at a question under trigonometry, and the question says, given that sine beta is x over y, where beta is an acute angle. Take note of that. Beta is an acute angle. So what are acute angles? Acute angles are angles which values fall between 0 to 90 degrees, less than 90 degrees, and they are all positive angles. That means the three trig ratios we have, sine, cos, and tan, give us a positive value. So we should express 1 over cos square beta plus 1 over sine square beta in terms of x and y. So let's see how we are going to simplify this to express the given expression in terms of x and y. So solution to the question. We are given sine beta at x over y. So my responsibility now is to look for the value of cos beta. My cos beta becomes a question mark because we have cos beta from the expression. So how do we find cos beta? We can actually do this in two ways, by imputing identity formula that says sine square beta plus cos square beta is simply 1. So let me make cos square beta the subject formula. My cos square beta will give me 1 minus sine square beta. And what is the value of sine beta? Our sine beta, let's don't forget, is given to us at x over y. So let's substitute sine beta into this expression to find cos beta. So I'm having cos square beta is now 1 minus, place of sine beta, now I'm putting x over y. So here I'm having x over y all squared. So this square is affecting both x and y. So if that should happen, I will have 1 minus x squared over y squared. So what happened from here? I can take LCM, but this is a fraction and this one is not. So although I can make it a fraction by putting here as over 1, with that I can take my LCM. So I will have cos square beta now. My LCM is simply y squared. So y squared into 1 will give us y squared times 1. I'm having y squared. Y squared into y squared is 1 times x squared. That will give me x squared. So this is not the value of cos beta. What's not the value of cos square beta is this. What's not the value of cos beta? My cos beta now will give me the square root of y squared minus x squared over y squared. So we have gotten cos beta and we are given sine beta. We can now find the expression we are asked to find. The expression says we should find 1 over cos square beta plus 1 over sine square beta. So let's substitute them in their respective places. In place of cos beta, I will put this. So this will give me 1 over, open bracket, square root of y squared minus x squared over y squared plus, should repeat it?
No need.
Okay. So if you substitute our expression, I'm going to have, so that implies 1 over, I'm having square root of y squared minus x squared over y squared all squared plus sine beta is x over y, so here become x over y all squared. So this square will affect the square. Square can cancel out the square root. I'm left with 1 over y squared minus x squared over y squared plus 1 over the square will affect both x and y, so this will give us x squared over y squared. So I can invert by taking y squared up and this y squared up. So if that should happen, we are going to have y squared over y squared minus x squared plus y squared over x squared. So I can equally take LCM from here. The LCM will be this expression and this expression. So I'm having x squared into y squared minus x squared. So these two expressions go into this, I'll be left with x squared times y squared. I'm having y squared x squared plus these two expressions go into x squared. I'll be left with this times y squared. I'm having y squared into y squared minus x squared. So if I simplify what I have, this now implies x squared y squared plus, let's expand, this time this, going to have y4, this time this minus x squared y squared over x squared into y squared minus x squared. So this can cancel this out because two equal values but different signs. Therefore, my 1 over sine squared beta plus 1 over cos squared beta is now equal to y raised to the power 4 over x squared into y squared minus x squared. So this is the expression for 1 over sine squared beta plus 1 over cos squared beta in terms of x and y. So if you like what you watch, please support our channel by subscribing. Thank you.